Friends, did you know that the maker of Batman's The Dark Knight movie tragically lost his life during the shooting of this blockbuster film? And how the hero of Fast and Furious met his end while filming a scene? Plus, how an actor lost his life during the shooting of the Expendables movie? Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about famous people who passed away during the production of blockbuster movies. The Expendables 2. Friends, if you're a fan of Hollywood movies, you've probably seen the Expendables series. It's an action thriller film series that started in 2010, and so far, 4 parts have been released. Talking about the Expendables 2, it came out in 2012 and had even more intense fights and action scenes than the first part. But did you know that during the filming of this action movie, a stuntman lost his life? The Expendables 2 featured many dangerous stunts, which were performed by the famous Chinese stuntman Kun Liu. Kun Liu was one of Hollywood's youngest and smartest stuntmen, just 26 years old. In October 2011, while shooting for The Expendables 2, Kun Liu was assigned a stunt involving an explosion on a rubber boat at a dam in Bulgaria. Another co-stuntman was with him on the boat, and the scene required an explosion inside the boat. It was an extremely dangerous scene, and all necessary safety measures were in place for the stuntmen. Unfortunately, the explosion turned out to be far more intense than expected. Kun Liu's boat caught fire severely, causing major injuries to him and his partner. While his partner managed to survive, Kun Liu tragically succumbed to his injuries and lost his life. Before Kun Liu could be taken to the hospital, he tragically passed away on the set itself. This scene was so terrifying that it shocked all of Hollywood. The Dark Knight. Friends, if you're a fan of superhero movies, you've likely seen the Batman film The Dark Knight. Released in 2008, this film created a sensation at the box office upon its release. But you might not believe that to take this movie to the next level, one of its filmmakers lost his life. The responsibility for adding special effects to this film was given to Conway Wycliffe, one of America's most renowned special effects technicians. Conway was famous across Hollywood for creating thrilling scenes. His editing skills were so remarkable that he could make even fake scenes feel real. In 2007, Conway was working on a Batmobile chasing scene. He was tracking the Batmobile in another car, ensuring that the cameras attached to his car were capturing every angle of the scene. His car was moving at high speed to stay ahead of the chasing car. The scene was still being shot when Conway's car came upon a turn. Unfortunately, due to its high speed, the car collided with a tree. The impact hit the side of the car where Conway was seated. The collision was so severe that Conway suffered fatal injuries and passed away on the spot. Tragically, he didn't survive even for a minute. While Hollywood has continued to create thrilling scenes, no one has been able to match the brilliance of Conway's work. The Walking Dead. Friends, The Walking Dead is a highly popular American drama series. It began in 2010 and became so famous that it ran for 11 seasons. The Walking Dead is essentially a horror drama filled with dangerous stunts, many of which were performed by stuntmen instead of the main actors. Unfortunately, in 2017, while filming for Season 8, a heartbreaking incident occurred. In one scene, the hero was supposed to jump from a 25-foot-high balcony to the ground. However, this stunt was assigned to John Berniker, a well-known and highly skilled stuntman. John wasn't just famous for his work in TV dramas, but also for performing stunts in several blockbuster movies, including The Fate of the Furious, XXX. The XX movie series is one of Hollywood's most thrilling action franchises. The first part, released in 2002, was packed with action and became a major hit. However, you may not believe that while filming one of the action scenes in this movie, a stuntman lost his life. The scene involved the hero, Vin Diesel, jumping out of a car falling off a bridge. This stunt, however, was performed by a stuntman named Harry L. O'Connor. Harry bore a striking resemblance to Vin Diesel, so the director had him perform many of Vin Diesel's stunts in the film. Unfortunately, this was Harry's final stunt. For the stunt, Harry had to jump out of a falling car, and as usual, his parachute opened. However, his team members pulled the ropes of the parachute so quickly that Harry ended up crashing into a bridge pillar. The impact was so severe that Harry suffered a fatal head injury and died instantly. This tragedy shocked not only Hollywood but also caused the shooting of XXX to be halted. No other stuntman could perform the impossible scene as Harry did. Eventually, the scene was edited and the movie was released. This incident remains one of the most nightmarish moments in Hollywood history. Fast and Furious. The Fast and Furious series is among the most successful franchises in Hollywood. Many of you may have watched this movie series. The first part was released in 2001, and its popularity led to the production of 10 parts, with the latest installment released in 2023. However, during the filming of the 7th part in 2013, a tragic disaster occurred that left everyone shocked. One of the franchise's leading actors, Paul Walker, who was a major reason for the series' success, tragically lost his life. In 2013, Paul Walker went for a ride in a Porsche Carrera GT car with his friend during a break from filming. The speed limit on the road was 80 miles per hour, but Paul's friend was driving at 140 mph. While speeding, they encountered a sudden turn, and when Paul's friend attempted to brake, the car went out of control. The car first crashed into a streetlight and then into a nearby tree. The impact was so severe that the car split into almost 2 parts. Before Paul and his friend could escape, the car exploded, engulfing it in flames. The accident was so horrific that neither Paul nor his friend could be saved, and both tragically passed away. This incident not only devastated fans of the Fast and Furious series, but also had a profound impact on the movie itself. Paul Walker was one of the lead characters, and it was impossible to complete the film without him. To honor his legacy, the producers requested Paul's younger brother to step in for the remaining scenes since he bore a strong resemblance to Paul. Eventually, the movie was completed and released, but this tragedy remains one of the most significant disasters in the history of the film industry. Thank you for watching this Wonder Hitch video. Your support and kind comments mean the world to us. Stay tuned for another fascinating story in the next video.